Canadian homeowners are being misled by low-quality imported garage doors falsely labeled as made in Canada. One installer might quote $3,000 and the other just half the price for one door plus installation. The lower-priced doors look similar but often fall apart in less than a year, with little to no warranty to save you. Homeowners across the GTA are being affected.
My client for his double garage door.
Yeah.
So he went with someone that was very cheap.
Yeah.
So now the doors are falling. They're not very good. So those guys did not come to fix it. I would like you to come and give it a quotation for the guy.
Poor guy, I feel bad for him.
Poor guy.
Even highly trusted installers are being affected.
We decided to give one of these steel garage doors a try and support a local supplier. We thought we were getting a decent quality door at a reasonable price. Every installation failed. We ended up spending thousands to replace doors that simply didn't hold up. Even premium steel garage doors can have issues from time to time, but the difference is huge. The right manufacturer fixes problems right away.
Unlike these imported doors, Canadian-made garage doors are built to last for years and are backed by limited lifetime warranties. You can trust proven Canadian brands like Garaga that stand behind their products with a warranty and real service. Don't take chances. Choose Garaga. Garage doors made easy.